So guys, we are inside the Rajaji National Park here. You can see this is the gate of the Tiger Reserve. So you can see the gate of the Tiger Reserve, right? So from here we go inside the jungle, and the fees per person for Indian tourists are 150 rupees, and for outsiders, means those who are coming from other countries, 600 rupees. It is mentioned over there. You can see, right? So it is very near to my home. My home is there, very near. So I used to take my bicycle and I came here. So this is the beauty of the nature, that the time you spend here, it only heals you, and it energizes with you, uh, with positivity and lot of happiness. So you can see today is Sunday and lot of tourists are coming here, right? And this is the place to go inside the temple, Sureshwari Devi temple. So that's also very nice place to visit. And now you can see people are taking the tickets cost is there. You can see over there, it is very less for the temple visit. It is around 15 rupees, but if you want to go inside the jungle, then you need to pay 150 rupees. And if you are hiring the gypsy, then gypsy cost is very much. It is around 5000 rupees gypsy cost. So it is for the whole family, and if any single person want to go, he need to adjust with other person as well. There are two ways. This is for the this place is way is for the temple visit, and this place for the jungle visit. So this is all about this Rajesh National Park. And now I am taking my bicycle. You can see this my bicycle, and now I am going back to my home. So next time, whenever there are a lot of people with me, then I will go inside the jungle, and I'll have that fun also. Means I never visited there. I never took the jungle safari, but I visited into this place. Yes. So now I'm going back to my home, guys. So you can see the people are taking the tickets here, and lot of gypsies are also. Lot of, not only 4 to 5 gypsies are there, because not so much tourists are coming here. There is another other place, other in the same, for the same jungle. There are other gate also, where people used to come, tourists. But here mostly people come for the temple only. So guys, now I will go to the stadium. I will take this route only and go to the stadium. This place is situated in Haridwar, but the jungle is very vast. Its radius is around 300 kilometers, and the adjoining jungle is Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett is also one of the finest forests of Uttarakhand. So whenever you get the time, you should also visit there. And here, whatever I have told, that the wild animals like elephants are in abundance here. You can see them on the road, and wild boars, nilgai, all these we can see in the villages as well, right? So this is the BHL place. Now I am outside the jungle now, and that's the stadium. That's not the district stadium, that's the BHL stadium. And you can see there that hills where a lot of trees are there. And if you go some more distance ahead, then you can find the Mansa Devi temple over there. Then you can find the Mansa Devi temple here. Here you can see one monkey is crawling on the road. And this is very nice place. I have visited so many places in India, but I found Haridwar a very beautiful place to live, because here the environment is so good. When I go to Delhi, because my office is in Gurugram, and when I visit there, I can feel the difference in the environment. The environment here is very good. It's very healthy environment. Lot of trees everywhere you can find it. But when you not about the trees only, here there are not so much vehicles that emit so much pollution. Here you can see the main Haridwar building of that BHEL. Okay, so that's the BHEL building. So here you can see the roads are very beautiful roads, broad roads. It's designed very well. And so what I was saying, that the full, but if I visit there Gurugram, so much pollution, so much. And here it's very beautiful place, lot of trees, lot of less people, less densely populated, hence. And the Ganga river is, if you take water of Ganga from anywhere in the country, and if you take and you compare that water with the Ganga of Haridwar, then you can feel the difference in that also, because it's Ganga is very pure here. And if you take the same sample Ganga water from Kanpur, then you can feel the difference. Lot of wastage is dumped into the Ganga directly in Haridwar, and other things are also much famous, like temple other temples as well. Daksh Prajapati temple and Shanti Kunj is very famous here. Yeah. After that you can see Chandi Devi temple, and if you go some more places, if you want to visit, then you can go to Rishikesh for river rafting as well, other adventurous activities, right? So what I show you here, it is very much energizing. So you can see I have taken my bicycle. I am just riding my bicycle and making the video. I'm just riding this bicycle with single hand only, and with other hand I'm shooting this video, right? Lot of temples are here. People of Haridwar are very friendly, very much friendly. Okay, and if you compare this place to Delhi, employment, if you compare with employment, so that's the reason why Delhi is so much populated, because the opportunities of employment in Delhi is so much, hence it's much populated. But we should also take, when we make the decision like that, we should stay in Delhi or in Haridwar, like places, tier 2 cities. So definitely we should consider pollution as well, because ultimately if you are earning so much and if you are spending that on the medicals, then earning so much money does not have worth. Because if you are healthy, if your children are healthy, then definitely you will be more happy. Okay, hence I just shifted from Delhi to Haridwar, and even Delhi has given me a lot of things. I have gratitude for Delhi and Haridwar also. Even if I compare India, not Delhi or Haridwar, so it is very nice place in the world. It's a very beautiful place in the world. Everywhere you can see the battles, pollution, every lot of things are happening worldwide. India is such a nice place that you can find everything going good, right? So people of India are very good. So that's the reason we should also contribute from ourselves in the harmony and betterment of the society. See, I feel so much excited to visit this place, especially this BHL area, so nicely done. Means the well crafted roads. You can see there the Kendriya Vidyalaya is there, right? KV. Yeah. So all the things you can find it very near. So Kendriya Vidyalaya is there. Delhi Public School, 2 Delhi Public Schools are very near. And what I can say about Haridwar, I don't have so much things. I am having so much things, but to summarize that, it's not an easy task, because there are a lot of things to be said about this place. In my next vlog, I'll tell other things also, other places. And so this place, Mandir Market, it is written here, na? So inside the jungle here, around if we go 400 meters inside the jungle, there is a beautiful temple, Hanuman temple. So I used to visit there also, and you can see over there, it's a Shiv temple. Wow, that's also very beautiful place. See, from here you can see, right? People are also here doing some livelihood activities. They are collecting the fodder, fuel from the jungles, and they used to take them at their home to cook the food. So the life is also very challenging for economically weaker persons. So we should come forward to help these type of persons, so that their standard can be uplifted and they can also live a good life. Yeah, that's a Peet Bazaar. It is a sector 4 Peet Bazaar. So this is This is this place here. You can find all type of things. Means groceries, these bed sheets, vegetables, fruits, everything for daily needs. You can find it from that. It's at Swर्ण Jayanti Park. This is the BHEL Park. BHEL Park, Swर्ण Jayanti Park. It's also a nice park. I will also make one vlog for that park. So guys, this is actually sector 4 of BHEL, and every facility, whatever you can think, it's available here in Haridwar. And this is the BHEL area. So I think whatever BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, have done for this place, it is fantastic, and thanks to BHEL for that, because they have also made our life so easier. You can see the roads here, na? How well crafted road is this, so beautifully designed. You can see the officers' houses here, and this in front of me, this is the Swर्ण Jayanti Park. It is very big park. It's very big park, and all the amusement activities for which children are seeking, you can find it here into this park. And you can see the officers' houses are BHEL officers' houses are here. Right? People, you can see the people are making the videos for their Instagram reels. These people in Haridwar are also very lively. They are very friendly nature. They enjoy their life. They contribute to the society here. You can see the park, lot of park. Inside of every colony, every sector, there are a lot of parks are there for the children. And the sporting culture in Haridwar is very good. People here in Haridwar are very much dedicated towards the sports. Means whosoever can participate in the sports, they used to participate. Even I saw them playing in the night as well. But even if they don't, they encourage their children to participate in at least some of the games. Here you can see, this is the Delhi Public School. This is Ranipur area. So this is Ranipur area of BHEL, Haridwar. So this is Delhi Public School. This is one of the renowned school of Uttarakhand. And one best thing I can tell you about this school is that the topper of the child which got admission into the RIMC, Rashtriya Indian Military College, the topper, the Rashtriya Indian Military College is from this school only, right? From this school only. So this is Delhi Public School. Okay, Delhi Public School, Ranipur. Now guys, my mobile battery is very low and it can be shut down in few minutes. Hence I am stopping this video now, and I will make another vlog and upload that very soon. Thank you so much for your support.